Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is part 2 of cPen network on how to farm and how to sign up on the cPen network. So here is a short tutorial on how to farm the cPen network. Alright, quickly here. If you're using your iPhone, if you're using your Android smartphone, all you have to do is get onto the Play Store or the Apple Store. Then you come to the search bar, then you search for cPen. Here is it. Right there, cPen network. You click on the cPen network, then you're going to install the cPen network. But since I've already downloaded the cPen network before, I don't need to sign up again. So all I have to do is just open the cPen network, and basically after you download the cPen network, you come to where it says, you're going to see where it says sign in. Below the sign in button is you are going to see register. Have no account yet, then you register. Immediately you click on the register button, which you see below. Then you put in your email address and then you put in your password. So I'll be putting in my email address. Let me use this for an example, just like an example, just showing you on how to actually mine the cPen network. All right. So here is an example on how to sign up on the cPen network. So quickly here, we're going to input our email address, which is the joy at this here. Then you put in your password. For example, let me use this just for a testing. All right. Oh, we're supposed to sign up. So we put in our email address, then put in the password. Yeah, oh, this one is not accepted. Okay, let's do something else. Let's do it this way. Yep, let's do it this way. Okay. Let me read something else. Okay, let me read this, and I read this, then all small letter, then use this. Yeah, then we're going to re-enter the password again. Put in the password. Okay. Then yeah, so done. Then the invite code. If you're going to sign up, if you're new to this channel, if you're new to cPen network and you want to sign up just as a new member, you're going to put in the referral code, which is osagkx, which is this osagkx. So please use this invite code osagkx, then you'll be given an extra bonus. Yeah, so immediately you sign up, but I won't be using let me use something else, which is let me use something else. Yeah, but when you want to sign up, the link is on the description below. All right, there you're going to sign up. Either you use, yeah, so immediately then you sign up. Yes, so quickly we're going to go to our Gmail account. So we're going to activate the cPen network. Then refresh. Oh, I use something else, which is I just Joy Winfred. This is it. Okay, this gotcha. So quickly we're going to verify our email. Yeah, we're going to verify the email. That's on the server side. Done. So immediately we go back to the app where we sign up earlier. So immediately, yeah, you go back to the app, then you sign up, inputting your email address. So we did this. Yep. Okay. Right. Then we sign in. Good. Then we put in our email address, which is join friend 439. So this is someone else's account which I'm actually helping to sign up. She doesn't really know how to sign up, so I'm using the account as the first start. So Our username Joy Winfred. Let's use Joy Winfred 439. Remove this Joy Winfred. Yeah, I'm going to read this. Okay, good. So then we continue. Correct. Now, ta-da! Here is it. So immediately you come into the cPen network. What you're gonna do is you click on the start. Then immediately you press on the start. There's an hard which is gonna pop up, and this is the pop. This is the pop-up hard that is displaying. And don't hesitate the hard quickly, because for every hard that pops up that you're watching, all right, immediately you're done watching the ads, you're going to be given bonus. You're going to be given a reward which is going to be added to your mining, which is called the point, the cPen point here. So we just wait for it to calm down. Okay, 12 minutes, 10 minutes, 10 seconds rather, 8 seconds. Okay, almost done, almost done, almost done. Good. So we go back. You can see it. You earn $3.37 pen rewards. So immediately it's going to be added to the pen, which is the 6-point pen you're looking at. So let's navigate. Let's find our way around the cPen. So immediately you've downloaded the app. The first thing we did was going to the Google Play and searching for cPen. Immediately we searched for the cPen. What we did was imputing our Gmail account and a password, which the an activation code was given to us on our Gmail. All right, and immediately we did that, we got activated. And what we're gonna do is come back to the app, and you go to the yes, you go to where it says local service, because what we want to do is actually maximizing our pain points. All right, what are the pain points or pain token, whichever. So you go to local service. When you go to the local service, yes, okay, where you seeing this countdown, which is the 26 minutes 7 seconds, is that immediately the countdown as lapses to 000, a pop-up ad is going to show, which is going to show an orange icon telling you to watch an ad. All right, immediately you click the ad and you watch the ad, just like we watched the ad the previous. All right, it's going to give you 3 points. It can be 4-point reward, it can be 16-point reward, it can be 6-point reward. Immediately you're done watching the ads, then you go back and the point is going to be added to your dollar pen balance, and this dollar pen balance shouldn't be joked with. Now the main important thing is actually focusing on the streaks. Now we're looking at the streaks 1. So under the one streaks one says that streak score 1 days. All right, so mine 4 more days in a row to earn 10 points or $10 pen reward. All right, so don't joke with it. So now another main important key aspect here is your KYC. Immediately you've mined like 5 daily streaks, you'll be eligible to actually do your KYC. Now KYC is a mandatory process for cPen token distribution. Please complete the KYC process to receive a token. Now it says to begin the KYC process, you need to have a streak of at least 5 days of mining. So immediately you've done your 5 days streak complete, then you come back to your KYC logo where it says the KYC. Immediately you click on the KYC button. It's going to show where it says you are eligible for the KYC because you've actually mined complete 5 days. Then it will ask you to continue, which you are going to take a screenshot of your face. All right, whether your face is ugly, whether your face is beautiful, it doesn't matter. What you got to do is take a picture of just your face, and immediately done, it tells you congratulations, you are already verified. So this is somebody else's account, but immediately I'll be going to my account so that you see how is already done. So once you do that, then you go to your wallet. Immediately you go to the wallet, you are going to go to the BSC wallet address. How to get your BSC wallet address? All you got to do is go to the Play Store and download the Trust Wallet or MetaMask. If you don't have the Trust Wallet or the MetaMask, all you got to do is go to the Play Store, then you download the Trust Wallet, or you download the MetaMask. In my own case, I use the Trust Wallet. So to get your BSC wallet address from the Trust Wallet or MetaMask, you go to the Play Store quickly. Sorry. When you go to the Play Store, you search for Trust Wallet. Once you search for the Trust Wallet, this is Trust Wallet. Yeah. But since I've actually downloaded the Trust Wallet before, I don't need to do that again. All I have to do is just click on the Trust Wallet where the Trust Wallet is here. So this is Trust Wallet, search for Trust Wallet. Yeah, gotcha. So yeah, it's loading up. It's loading up. Yep. Okay, so immediately you go to the Trust Wallet app, you come to the search bar and search for BSC. All right. Now, okay, no, we're gonna search for the BNB. So BSC is still Binance Smart Chain. All right, BSC is called the Binance Smart Chain, which is the native token of the BNB or the BSC. All right. So the BSC also means Binance Smart Chain or Binance Smart Chain. But in this case, we're going to see the BN. We're going to search for BNB. BNB, BSC are all related. Like almost they're already the same already. They're all the same. So the first one that come top up here is we're going to see the BNB Smart Chain. You click on it, and when you click on it, you click on Receive. And once you click on Receive, you're going to copy the BSC or BNB address. You click on copy. Immediately I've copied it, you go back to your cPen, all right, where it says enter the BSC address. All right, it's doing that. It's going. All right, if you're new to this channel, please kindly subscribe to my channel and like and turn on the bell notification. Please subscribe. Thank you. Okay, so we're gonna go to the wallet icon. Here is it. Then we paste in our wallet address, which is the BSC wallet address. Then we hit on save. All right, then you hit on the save address. You click on save, but I won't be posting this because I have used this address on my own main account, so I won't be posting this, but that is how you're going to do it. And yeah, there's nothing wrong with it. Okay, let me just paste it, so just to clear your curiosity and your doubt. Okay, after that, I've saved it already. Okay, yeah, wallet address is already linked to another account, so we can't use that. All right, so that's what you're going to do. In your own case, you're going to do it that way and you're going to save it. So quickly we go back to the app. Then if you want to maximize your dollar pen point or token, you come to this place where it says 21, which is the dollar sign. Then you do all the stacks just like we are doing on the tap swap and the tap swap MemeFi. If you found MemeFi, you understand what I'm talking about. So once you do that, you go back. Then that is all, and that is it, and that's that. But remember, please remember that it's quite very important to mine complete 5 daily streaks before you do your KYC. And once you mine 5 daily streaks, you'll be eligible to do your KYC. Without the KYC not being activated on your own case, in your own case, you will not be eligible to participate on the pen airdrop during the TGA. Sorry, I'm afraid you're not going to be eligible for that. So quickly, so many people have been talking about the price prediction on the cPen. For what we're looking at, many people are predicting that the price cPen is the pre-market price for cPen is $3 up to $4. But for in my own prediction, the cPen pre-market will be going for somewhere around 0.5, and yeah, somewhere around 0.5 or $1. That's what I'm looking at. Yeah, and quickly, yeah, these are the leaderboards, and we are not so much. We aren't so much on the leaderboard. The highest person is having about 1.7 million pen points or tokens, and yeah, that's that. But if and for trust me, cPen is going to really cook, because we are not so much on the cPen. We're not so much on the cPen network, which we're having about 1. 1.8 million 1.8 million cPen farmers that are farming the cPen network. So that's that, and that is all about how to farm the cPen network and connect your BSC wallet address. Thank you so much, and if you love this video and you want more videos like this, kindly subscribe to my channel, like and turn on the notification bell. More videos is going to be coming up in the future. Thank you so much. I remain osagkx. See you next time on Airdrops Info Hub. Bye.